And really soft. Avoid spinning wheels. Enjoy it.
Wow. Oh my.
So
Oh my word.
it's only 45, 50 now.
Okay.
Relax, enjoy. Rain weather. Soft, excellent both hand on the steering wheel. Perfect. This is M1.
Basically vertical.
Perfect, 99%. A little bit more to the right. That's perfect. That means cheetahs 100%. Don't stop. So feeling 100% again. More to the right. Perfect, 100. More to the right. Much more to the right. Right, that's where I am.
I'm trying.
More right. Be relaxed. Perfect. You did it. And now we will do the same. Down here, really stop the foot. Be on the brake. A little bit more to the right. More to the right. Also the brake more to the right. Get your scrape.
Oh my. Oh my. Oh my.
60.
We're gonna tip over.
No, not with the seatbelt.
I'm just hanging in my seatbelt now. I'm hanging in my seatbelt.
So, 97. So then we stop here. So then go to reverse.
You're serious?
Yes, it's a G-Class. Every G-Class can do it. Smooth acceleration.